Hello Wisdomers and welcome to our weekly career roundup. We have been always saying that contribute to open source, build your GitHub profile. And you have heard this advice 1,000 times now. But when you actually go to a project like React or Linux, it's terrifying. The code is massive. The experts are intimidating. You are immediately thinking that, what could I possibly add to this? Today, we are going to break that fear. I'm going to show you that open source isn't just for experts, it's for you. We will walk through the exact step-by-step process of finding a beginner-friendly issue, making a change, and submitting your first pull request. By the end of this video, you will be ready to make your mark. Are you ready for this? Let's get started. The first important segment is the secret search. Good first issue. Step 1 is finding the right problem. You don't start by trying to rewrite a core feature. You start by finding a project that is asking for help from beginners. Go to GitHub and use the search bar and just type good first issue. Look at the results. Thousands of projects have tagged issues specifically for people like you. These are bugs or tasks that the maintainers have identified as simple, self-contained, and perfect for a first-time contributor. They want you to fix these. The immediate question that you're going to get after seeing these thousands of projects is, for whom should I contribute? This is where the second segment comes into action, the 3 types of first contributions. So what kind of issues should I look for? Here are the 3 best places to start. The first best place is documentation. Find an issue about a typo in the README or a missing explanation. Fixing documentation is incredibly valuable. It helps every future user of the software. It proves you can read and communicate. The second best place is simple bug fixes. Look for issues like button alignment is off or error message is unclear. These are the small code changes that let you touch the code base without understanding the whole system. And the third important place is writing test cases. Many projects need more unit tests. Writing a test case for an existing function is a fantastic way to learn how that function works. These are the 3 very important issues that you must look for. Once you identify the issue that you can fix, the third important segment is the workflow, fork, branch, and pull request. Once you have just found an issue, how do you actually submit your code? You don't just edit their files, you must follow the open source workflow. The first very important step in the open source workflow is fork. Click the fork button. This creates a copy of the entire project into your account. It's your sandbox. And the second important step in the open source workflow is clone. The clone is to download your fork onto your computer. And the third step is branch. Create a new branch of your fix and name it. Never work on the main branch. And the fourth step is commit and push. Make your changes, save it, and push it back to your fork. And the fifth very important and magical moment in this entire process is pull request. Go to the original repository. You will see a button to compare and pull request. Click it. Write a clear description of what you fixed and hit submit. You have just asked the maintainer to accept your code. Even if they ask for changes, you are now collaborating. You are an open source contributor. Making that first pull request is a rite of passage. It proves you understand version control, collaboration, and professional workflows. These are the exact skills we are building into our Learning Agent app. Our platform will help you master the concepts of Git and collaboration so that when you tackle your first real open source issue, you will feel confident and prepared. The link to join the waitlist is in the description. That's it for this week's career roundup. Now a challenge for you. Go to the GitHub right now, search for good first issue in the language you know, find one issue that looks interesting and paste the link in the comments below. Let's help each other find our first contributions. Thanks for watching and keep learning.